Presenting your hypnotherapy series for success, enlightenment, and mental well-being. There is no danger in hypnotherapy, but it is able to help you build many aspects of your life. Hypnotherapy can also help you become more mentally aware and has been shown to have healing aspects. We ask you to do nothing else while listening to our series, as you should be relaxed and focused. Listen to this series often to get the repeat benefits of the message and to bring about the positive results. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to take the time to relax and go through the series to create your own success. Welcome to Concrete Confidence, Mental Strength, and Attitude Alignment Series. Get ready to just make yourself comfortable and shut your eyes now. Let your hands lie loosely in your lap or at your side if that's easier. Just be comfortable and relax your entire body as much as you are able to. Now I want you to take a deep breath and hold it for a minute before exhaling slowly. Just letting your whole body relax as you do. And I want you to keep your eyes shut now and just keep listening restfully to the sound of my voice. And as you're listening to the sound of my voice, I want you to center for a moment on your breathing. Breathing slowly and steady and evenly. And as you exhale each time, just letting your whole body relax more and more, so that you gradually find yourself feeling like your whole body was settling further and further into the chair with each breath you breathe. And just the thought of breathing and unwinding makes you feel as though you're sinking down. 5, sinking deeper. 4, and each breath makes you feel more at ease. 3, and with every breath you feel yourself going deeper and deeper, more relaxed. 2, down once more, breathing softly, releasing, and 1, completely relaxed. Now I'm going to ask you to think of a peaceful, protected place. You are able to feel the warmth of the sun on your head and shoulders. Get in tune with your surroundings in this place while you are safe and protected You are standing at the top of a hill. When you look down the hill, you are able to see a narrow, twisting path that melts into a small forest. And beyond the forest, you are able to see the ocean. You begin to move easily down the path, and you just catch the faint smell of flowers on the breeze. The sparkling waters call you closer, calming your spirit, and you begin to recognize a reflection that you see there. The reflection that is gently rising to the surface is your own. The image of yourself rises to the top of the waters to show you a reflection of power and self-confidence. You feel as if you have never seen this particular image before. This image of you is vivid, strong, confident, self-assured, and decisive. You are able to recognize that this is the image of your true self. And this image is so clear. The feelings of rejuvenation, empowerment, and vigor wash over you and remind you that you have the ultimate power of choice. You see yourself in a new light. You are able to choose to see the true you that holds self-confidence and self-trust and not feel afraid. When you are ready and you feel as if you want to embrace this powerful self-image, do not be afraid. Let it become one with you. As you lightly brush the top of the cool, sparkling water, each ripple that is sent out is another wave of your confident self moving into your very being, fusing with your being. You begin to feel the mighty energy of a renewed self. Having allowed your confident self to renew your body, you are now able to access this inner power at any time you choose to bring about the success, abundance, and happiness that you deserve. You will notice that your actual physical self is ready to spring into action the moment you call upon it. You will also feel a new sense of clarity in your mind and will know that there are no longer the boundaries of self-imposed limits. as you now know that you are self-confident, have integrity, and are self-assured, you are able to allow the statements of success for your life to move in to give you yet more self-assurance. I choose the direction for my life. What I choose creates my world. I manage circumstances rather than letting them manage me. I choose to be powerful from within and retain power over me and not others. I listen to my own heart and convey my true feelings with compassion. I practice commitment and integrity in whatever I do. My word is my bond, and it is upheld no matter what. I am not afraid to ask for what I want and show my uniqueness. I release the need to keep everyone happy and take their opinions as law. I know that when someone judges me, it is about them and not me. I take responsibility for my own actions and will not blame or try to justify my life. I totally love and approve of me and how I am at this moment. I will contribute to others with my personal talents. I recognize my successes. I am willing to do some difficult things so that later things are easy. I pay attention to my feelings, but will carry on no matter my mood. I can overcome any obstacle. I am willing to do new things for my success. I possess overwhelming courage. Even if afraid, I will act. I cannot be stopped and will do what is necessary. I know that my true self will win over negative feelings. I choose to be confident, mighty, and powerful. Now, feeling mighty, think about a time when you would want to tap into your powerful being. Now let yourself see a time when you would want to use your strength and confidence. Where are you? Who is with you? What are the sights and sounds around you? Tapping into your powerful, alive self brings you to the place of a powerful presence that gives you strength and drives your passion. Imagine that you are conveying your true feelings with compassion and performing at your peak. Feel the sensation of success moving like electricity through your body. Now, as you ready yourself to come back to your conscious, aware state, remember to bring back a reminder, something to bring you back to the place where you can gather the strength that is greater than any of your fears. And now you will be returning to your conscious self within your special place, and be grateful and completely aware of your deep-rooted sense of strength and confidence. As you breathe deeply, it's time to return as we go from 1 to 5. Number 1, you are slowly coming back to your awareness. Number 2, feeling alive and rested and deeply strong. Number 3, returning with amplified self-assurance and the ability to follow through. Number 4, feeling the essence of your being in your body that is empowered and dedicated, as well as self-approving. Paying attention to the sounds and the light in the room. And 5, when you are completely ready, open your eyes and return to the room, knowing all the while that life is to be savored and lived. You have just taken steps to bring your own success, to boost your self-confidence and inner strength, to do what is necessary to be strong, confident, and self-assured. Listen to this series often to tap into your newfound inner strength.